Edo Governor Obaseki don announce plans to redevelop EKIOSA market for Oredo local government area. The governor yarned this one for the groundbreaking ceremony to start construction for the site. E con tok say the market go get 24/7 light, primary healthcare center and other modern amenities. The governor also chook mouth for some political matters, say na politics dem for Abuja dey play with the local government autonomy, say state government dey chop local government money. Obaseki con yarn say difference dey between the state and the local government, say even though say na the state dey fund the market construction, the revenue wey go come from the market go dey managed by the local government. E con still tok say
Ada Ekweki Oba Atope almost 4 years ago, all of una will remember the tears, the pain when many of us suffered that day. When some people come put fire for this market because of politics. Today, I don't come as I promised. Say I go rebuild this market when these so-called lions and tigers born for that day. Today, what will they do here? Get many minutes. First, you say, I not go leave una. Any promise when I make, I go fulfill them before I go. That's why I come today to come do the foundation laying of this market, EKIOSA market. And by the grace of God, in 9 months' time, the new governor will come open them for now. The second thing when I want to make una know, they don't do politics with local government for Abuja. Say local government autonomy. Say state they take local government money. Who get money pass? State or local government? Now states get the money pass. But they do politics for Abuja. They turn our democracy upside down. This market, now local government go get up. Now local government go collect revenue. Not be so. Who they build them? Not be state they build them. So who get money pass? How they go court for Abuja? Say state they take local government money. You don't see where Papa when get money they take from him Pekin. Not be Papa they give Pekin. But now God now go judge them for the kind of thing what they want to do for our country. So today we can't show say state now local government Papa. When they not get money, do what they're supposed to do, state go support them. For this market, when we build, it costs us reach 3 billion naira. Local government not get that kind of money, state get that, so we go do them for them.
Oga Obaseki come also chook mouth for the market design and the facilities wey go dey there, and come reassure the public say the administration dey committed to finish all the ongoing projects before im term end. Obaseki come also warn against political disruption and any attempt to impose leaders on the community, say Edo people get right to choose their own leaders.
This market when we don't design, when we want build, by the grace of God, now the kind market, now the way when we build market for Edo from now on into the future. Market people, they need good place to sell the market. How many hours a day do they stay for market? You know long. The place does it's not supposed to be comfortable. Why the place go hot? Air no go day. Lights not day. Person not fit waka. They will jam each other inside market. So the design when we don't do here, now to show say we want start to build modern type market for Edo. As they come here now, and they look the plan, they look the design, the lock-up shops, the open shops, the area for squatters. I can't ask. I say, why primary health not this here? If they did design, they say no. I say we must add them. When person in the market if is sick, he's supposed to go somewhere else. Doctor supposed to do their big treat him. I say make them put am for this market. Even before they build this market, open on a phone, go Wi-Fi. When I go see say free Wi-Fi don't already do this market. What do they call them? Edo net. So Wi-Fi go do this market. So that when they do POS, they not go get problem with network. When I not go get problem again with network. When person bring a card, when I go fit do the transfer instant. So that by the grace of God, people will come sell for this market. And so the business will go up and up and up. We don't pull lights for second secular. So Osiomo don't already be here. We go light up this market. We'll get 24 hours electricity for this market. When I not go fit get market when water not there. So water, by the grace of God, water already there here. We go put more water. I want thank Una. The reason why I did do this, we say, I don't know how to thank Una market women for the way Una don't support this our government. Everything when we don't do since I come up, I enter our government. When I call Una, and I go there. When we start our education, I do best. For school now, Una they help us. Many of Una they our school management committee. Now they help us look the pikin, make sure say that they learn for school. When we they do school o'clock, Una support us. Make sure say no pikin when supposed to do school, they market. So everything when we don't they do as government, Una they support us. How I go say thank Una? That's why I say this market, before I go, I must look for the money. You know, say we not they start anything when we not they finish. Before we start any project, we will make sure say we count the money in the ground. That's why we not get any abandoned project when we start. Well, this Edo, and by the grace of God, we not go abandon any project. Everything when we start, we go finish. I want to thank Una. I want to ask Una today, make Una continue to pray for our government. Make Una pray for this country. I see what they try to do some days ago. When some people come, say they won't come do something for our market. They don't know who we be. Maybe they don't forget who we be. We be Edo people. Nobody don't ever conquer us. Nobody don't capture us. Now what we want, now we they do for this Edo. So make anybody not try us. Come, say they want, whether in politics or anything, they won't come impose somebody as leader of our own market. Maybe when I tell them, make them stop that expensive joke. Even for the politics. Now what we want for it, not go happen. The person when we want, now go enter. And the only person when sabi, now we go bring in. I don't know mumu. We go school. Person when not go school, not be our governor. Now the person when we do something, the person when go do it for us, now we go bring. Whether they like her or not. They say they get federal might. We they wait for them here. They go kill us first, Abi? Before they capture the state. So, make una not worry, make una not fear. God be with us. Now democracy, now we they practice. Now, democracy now the government of the people, for the people, by the people. Democracy now means government of outsiders. For the people. Now the people go choose who they want. And who they want, then will govern them. Nothing they do about them.
Chairman already Local Government Council Dr. Tom Obaseki thank the governor for making the reconstruction of the market happen and say when they finish them, the market will get 1,700 open stores, 85 lock-up stores, loading bay, livestock lots, utility and service block, toilets, lush green area and car park. A talk say traders will get stores for the market before the fire incident 4 years ago suppose go the council secretariat for verification and validation.
I want to particularly thank His Excellency because he said he will do it and he has come to do it. Thank you very much, sir. We are very grateful in Oredo. Thank you for coming to do this today. EKIOSA is a very special market to us in Oredo. That is why EKIOSA is a very special market. The new EKIOSA is also a promise and a testament to the new market experience that we are going to be having in Oredo. It is going to be a unique market, a special one, a market for the first with very well-defined walkways, intertwined with grains and vegetation, and produce an ambience like we have never experienced in a market in this state before. The new EKIOSA will be coming with 1,007 open stores, about 85 lock-up shops, ample parking space, a dedicated place for livestock to hold, loading and offloading pay, and of course conveniences for people to use while they are here and having the market experience. From Wednesday, the 31st of July 2024, I will encourage those that have presence here before. What I mean is that if you had the shop before, you had an allocation here before, the process of verification and validation of those processes or those allocations will commence on Wednesday. Please come to the council, room 13B, and come with your evidence of ownership so that we can start the process.
Chairperson Edo State Market Association, Madam Blackie Ogiame, thank the governor for fulfilling his promise and come assure am say the market women go support whoever the governor support for the September 21 governorship election.
This EKIOSA on the 22nd December. Now they come put fire because we dey support this government. Now today, I go talk. We gonna help us thank Oshomole, the former governor. When he bring better governor, come give us. When Oshomole be governor here, he said because of Blackie, he go come to second secular. He really can't tie the vote for us. When he want come out, he make we market women they support Obaseki when he want bring. He said Obaseki go do work person. And today, Oshomole still talk another thing. He say market women are not for sale. That Oyibo are not forget them. It's really bring Obaseki come. Obaseki call the transform Benin, call the transformer, call the transformer. 18 local government nowhere when you not do work. Then they say, enemy. You know when better person they rule, they go the first. Me not care. Anybody when it's a bit when you go feel prepare this land for us. Now be our own. I talk and say, now my present, now Obaseki to build this market. And market women, you know say, we know they listen you before we talk like. They say, I don't go sell the land for Shaibu. He want to build the filling station put. He want to build police station. He want to build bank. I say they don't know this when they talk. But today, our governor, when God go bless, the support, we got the supporter. We talk and say, that 4+ for Ogba, and the other give it back. Now so we go still do one. That's why I go tell them, now we market women go support. We go support her. We go support her because we like good things. Development, not the Asian city we want again.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.